Hi, this is Reshma Tandukar and my MIT roll number is MIT 171591, and I'm going to submit my assignment 1 for the MN502 network security. And in this assignment we have to discuss about the security tool, and there were given 5 of the network tool, but among them I have to use 2. So the two are Nmap and Nikto. So discussing about Nmap is an open source network security tool. It identifies hosts on network, host discovery and port scanning. It is basically designed to rapidly scan large networks, and how it works is it uses the raw IP packets to determine what hosts are connected to the network, what services those hosts are offering, and what OS they are running on. And discussing about the Nikto is a web server scanner which looks for the common security loopholes, because all of the vulnerabilities enter into our system using the web server. So Nikto is used to scan the web, and the task performed by Nikto is it performs comprehensive tests including web servers for multiple items including dangerous files, CGI. So it deals with the threats like spams, phishing, and it also verifies server configuration for duplicate index files, HTTP server options. That means helps prevent um, it helps prevent fake IDs in our network, which is also a major authentication problem. And for the Nmap, the tasks are: it manages the service upgrade schedules, it monitors host and monitors all the activities done by the host, and it also helps in network inventory and helps scan the ports, which means scanning the ports means it looks for the open and closed ports, because if the port is open, it is likely to be accessed by an unauthorized person in a network. So now we are going to compare the two tools, Nmap and Nikto. Nmap has a better web scanning, and Nikto is also a web scanner, but it supports SSL support, and Nmap supports IPv4 support, but Nikto helps host authentication as it attempts to perform educated guesses for authentication realms, and Nmap uses NSE scripts for the vulnerability and exploit detection, and the Nikto uses or captures the cookies that are received in a network, and Nikto also scans the multiple ports on a target to find web servers, but Nmap uses scanning of port if it is open or closed. The scenario for our given assignment is there is a company named UVW, and we have to design the business requirement for the UVW company. So the requirements in terms of security for the company are secure web surfing, secure ports that are available on the network, and to prevent botnets and malware on the system, also prevent phishing and internal hacking, because in this scenario all the access can be provided with wireless router, and that the workers also have their own devices, and the students also use the same network. So internal hacking is most prone to internal hacking, and for this case the authentication is very important for the network, and monitoring of each host activity is also needed. Now we are going to, according to the Nikto and Nmap, I think Nmap is the most suitable security tool, as Nmap runs on all the major operating system like Linux, Windows, and Nmap is flexible and it supports advanced technique for mapping out networks filled with IP filters, firewalls, routers, other obstacles. Also, that means Nmap can be used to scan all the devices and servers, and also the security tool like firewall also. And then it also includes port scanning mechanism for both TCP and UDP. We can select if we want to do TCP and UDP, and we can for the detection of what the host is using as the operating system, and we can use Nmap. And as I also said earlier, it can be used to scan huge network. It offers a rich set of advanced features. So as a conclusion, Nmap should be utilized as it provides various functionalities to the network, securing to